Hey creators, welcome back to Learn with Peter, where I help you create content and help you grow faster on YouTube. Today I want to show you how to add chapters to your YouTube videos, and I will also be telling you why it matters. You probably have seen those segments appear in videos and you are wondering, wow, how has this thing been done? So each part of this video are titled like intro, tutorial, tips, It looks so neat, looks attractive and fanciful. And you're wondering, how come it is like that? And it helps the viewers to jump into some certain sections in that particular video and boosts the chances of the video ranking in search results. But here's the thing, a lot of people want it, but they don't know how to do it. And that's why I'm here for you to teach you how to do it. Very, very easy. Some even think that it is a feature that is meant for big content creators. The truth is this, if you are just starting your channel today, you can even do it and it will appear in your videos. Anyone can do it. It is super easy. In this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. And guess what? Adding chapters not only help your audience but also increases your watch time. It improves your audience retention. It makes your viewers engage more on your videos, because it catches their attention. And it also improves your discoverability on YouTube. So I want to stick around so that I will show you how to exactly add chapters to your videos. No special software is required to do this, but this is what we call certificate, and that's what I'm here for. You will simply head on to ChatGPT and give ChatGPT this prompt which you are seeing on the screen. So I'll start typing and say, hello ChatGPT, help me create a timestamp for my video titled how to go viral by activating YouTube auto dubbing, the video is about 3 minutes long. I spoke about auto dubbing, how to set it up, and its numerous advantages for every video. And I put my full stop and I'll send it now. And ChatGPT is loading. Here comes the result, which is loading on the screen. But I will still take it back for you to see it from beginning. Actually, you can see it. So it has generated the timestamp, how to go viral by activating YouTube auto thumbnail. So you can see the timestamp. The timestamp, these are the chapters. Once you include the timestamp, chapters will appear on your video. Put it in the description. So he created a variant up to 2 minutes 40 seconds. Final thoughts and encouraging creators to try it. Okay, that summarizes the 3 minutes. So the next is I will either copy and then I'll open my YouTube studio, which is this. I've opened the video. I'll locate the video that I want to paste it in the description of that video. Take note, this is just for educational and experimental purpose. So I may not necessarily save, and for you to just understand how it goes, I click the pencil sign to edit this video from my YouTube studio. So I'll click the description, and then before my hashtags I will paste my timestamp. Though there's already a timestamp on this video, and I pasted timestamp on every of my video. But for you to actually understand and for you to properly know how it is being done, I will delete the one here, select, press it down, then I'll drag the cursor down, marking all the areas I want to delete. Okay, so these are the areas, and then I will paste. You can see that what I copied from ChatGPT is already here. It's here already. I'll remove every irrelevant text. Being a prompt machine, it must always add that. So I remove every irrelevant text and paste only the necessary text. These are irrelevant text. That's the reason why you see me. Even you see timestamp is appearing. I said how to go viral by YouTube auto dubbing. That is not also necessary. Just put timestamp here. The timestamp have been analyzed. I put my colon. Alright, so I include my colon. So that's all. So the next thing is that I will save. If you don't save, none of your effects will be saved. Just end up losing it. So I'm not actually saving. It will not ask me, do I want to discard? Yes, because it is just for tutorial purpose. So every of my video has timestamp. Let's go and check it on the YouTube app to see if it will appear. I simply click on Learn with Peter for my search. Type it and search. So here's the channel. I'll open the channel. I'll go and locate that video. So I'm already in the channel now. So the next thing is I'll go and locate that video. And here is the video. I'll click on it and play it. And then check the description if the chapters are already there. So I'll click the 3 dots upwards so you can see it, how this content was made auto-dubbed. Always learn to auto-dub your content so that people from other tribes can understand your video. So you can see that this is the timestamp in the description. Now I go back. I want to go and check if the okay, good. So you can see that when I scroll down, you can see that chapters are appearing on my video already. But someone who doesn't want to watch everything can just watch the particular part that he or she wants. And it's helped me to appear more in the search results because there are timestamps on my videos. When people are searching, my video will also appear in search results. So are you getting it? Alright, so this is how to add chapters into your video. Very, very easy. So you do see it in big YouTubers channel. you can also implement it in your channel. Follow these steps. If you've done that, you've already known how to activate your chapters in your videos. So this is just how to do it. You could still go back, watch the tutorial again. I want you to like, comment, and share this video. This one will put a smile on my face. Like, comment, and share. See you in my next post.